Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start inside Kinemaster with a project open and media on the timeline. First, choose whether to use your device TTS or a third-party app. The device TTS is faster for short lines. Once chosen, prepare a text file or script and set clip markers where narration belongs. Make sure multi-track audio is enabled so you can add voice on a separate layer. This lets you adjust levels independently and keeps music from masking the speech. Now generate the speech file using your TTS tool. Pick the appropriate voice and set a natural speed. Slightly slower than reading is usually better. Export as MP3 or WAV, then trim leading/trailing silence and normalize to about -3 decibels so it sits well in mix. Once ready, import that audio into Kinemaster, align it to your timeline markers, split any segments to match visuals, and add short fades to avoid click. Finalize by balancing the mix. Duck background music under speech using a volume envelope or automation so words stay clear. Equalize the TTS track to reduce boominess and add gentle compression for a steady presence across devices. Once done, preview on headphones and phone speakers, then export at a high bitrate. If you encounter sync drift, nudge audio clips by milliseconds, or re-export the TTS with fixed timings. If audio sounds robotic, choose a different voice or slightly increase naturalness settings in the TTS tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.